this time of year, the reality of family issues can begin to settle in. However, this doesn't have to become a stress-inducing reality. Kathleen Laraway and David Kalasek from Divorce Matters share more. This can be a very trying time for a lot of people.
It can.
Going through a divorce, preparing for a divorce, or having just been divorced. This is hard for a lot of folks. Well, let's start with, I'm going to ask both of you this, but Kathleen, we'll start with you. Why come to Divorce Matters? What makes you guys different?
Yeah, you know, we have a wealth of experience, but most importantly, and I think we try to make sure you're matched with the right attorney. We have 10 different attorneys practicing family law in our practice group. When you call in, you're going to talk to somebody who is trained to talk to you about your case. They're going to be able to find out what your needs are, try to match you with the right attorney, and that really matters. We also practice law with empathy. We know that it's hard to go through this stuff. You know, there's not much we haven't seen, but we understand everybody's case is different, and you have to treat everybody like their case is different. You can't just churn people through like everybody's divorce is the same.
Yeah, David, I think that would be the thing. Not every divorce is created equal, right?
Yep, and they're not, but it's fortunately our great experience. And like Kathleen said, we have 10 attorneys that specialize in this area. And so we've seen thousands and thousands of these cases, and though every case is absolutely unique, having seen so many of these cases, we have experienced that when people come to us, we've seen a case probably with somewhat similar circumstances.
I do want to talk about your website, divorce-matters.com. You have great videos on this, and I know that might sound kind of one of those things where you don't really expect, but you have great videos, so much great information. In fact, let's go ahead and look at some of that now.
I will never tell someone that you must have an attorney. What I can tell you is that if you think you have an agreement, it's worth at least coming in and talking to a qualified attorney here at Divorce Matters.
You're crazy if you don't. I didn't think that I was going to need one, and that's, you know, when I knew this was all coming. And then as I started to talk to other people who had been through this process, I realized that it's a lot more difficult than it looks like, and I think getting an attorney is probably the best investment you can make.
Okay, not only do you have videos, you also have an app, and this is so nice. David, talk about the app and what you have with it.
Sure, it can be found on our website as well as Google Play and the Apple Store. And what it does, it gives you the ability to estimate what child support or spousal maintenance, which is what alimony is called in Colorado.
Right.
You get an estimate for what those might be in your particular cases, in your circumstances, right from your phone or your tablet.
Call this month, mention you saw Divorce Matters on MHL, and your comprehensive consultation fee will be waived. The number is 720-542-6142. To see real client testimonials, visit divorce-matters.com. Legal strength, trusted advice is what you'll find at Divorce Matters. They paid for today's segment.